Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning YouTube thumbnails using Ideogram.AI. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers to your videos, and with Ideogram.AI, you can make eye-catching ones in no time. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Ideogram.AI's website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is clean and user-friendly. On the dashboard, you'll notice several options. Click on the Create New Design button. You'll see a variety of templates for different social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and, of course, YouTube. For today's tutorial, we'll select YouTube thumbnail. Now, you're in the design workspace. On the left side, you'll find a wide range of templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails. These templates are categorized to help you find the perfect one quickly. Categories might include tech, lifestyle, gaming, tutorials, and more. Scroll through and pick one that catches your eye. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We can customize it to fit your style. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to personalize it. Click on any text or image element to edit. The interface is very intuitive. Let's start with the title text. Double-click on the text to change it. I'm going to type in how to create thumbnails. You can also adjust the font size, style, and color to make it stand out. To change the font, click on the font name, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Choose one that matches your video's theme. Similarly, you can change the color by clicking on the color box next to the font name. A color picker will appear, allowing you to choose any color you like. Next, let's talk about images. Thumbnails with high-quality images tend to get more clicks. You can upload your own images by clicking on the image placeholder. This will open a dialog box where you can select files from your computer. Choose a high-resolution image of yourself or something relevant to your video. Position it appropriately by clicking and dragging. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. If you want to add more elements, like shapes or icons, you can do that too. Click on the Elements tab on the left side. You'll see a wide array of options including shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations. Drag and drop any element you like onto your canvas. For example, adding a play button icon can make your thumbnail instantly recognizable as a video. To further enhance your thumbnail, consider using overlays and filters. Click on your image and select Filters from the toolbar at the top. Here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and apply various filters to give your thumbnail a unique look. Overlays can be added from the Elements tab. Choose a semi-transparent shape and place it behind your text to make the text pop out more. Alignment and spacing are also crucial in thumbnail design. Make sure your elements are well aligned and have enough spacing between them. This ensures that your thumbnail looks professional and not cluttered. Use the alignment guides provided by Ideogram.AI to help with this. Another tip is to use borders and shadows. Adding a subtle shadow to your text can make it stand out more. To add a shadow, click on the text, then go to the Effects tab in the toolbar. Enable Shadow and adjust the settings to your liking. Similarly, adding a border around important elements can draw attention to them. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and resolution. Ideally, you want a high-resolution image for better quality on YouTube. PNG is a good choice for maintaining image quality. And that's it. You've just created a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail using Ideogram.AI. Simple, right? But before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure your thumbnails are as effective as possible. Consistency. Try to maintain a consistent style for your thumbnails. This helps in building your brand identity and makes your content easily recognizable. Text size. Make sure your text is large enough to be readable even on small screens. Remember, a significant portion of your audience will be watching on mobile devices. Facial expressions. If your thumbnail includes a photo of you, make sure your facial expression is clear and engaging. People are drawn to expressive faces. Contrast. Use high contrast between your text and background. This ensures that your text stands out and is easy to read. Keep it simple. Don't overcrowd your thumbnail with too many elements. Keep it simple and focused on one main idea. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on enhancing your YouTube content. And if you have any questions or want to share your own thumbnail creations, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.